How to become leaders? Have you ever thought about this? What are the leadership qualities? Are leaders are born or they made up? Do you observe many great peoples? What are they from where they have started? What was their first step to become a leader? There were so many questions, and remember that leadership is not a born quality but it is a made, it is learnable skill. That's what I wanted to tell in this video with one inspirational story about the birds and trees. This story will inspire you for life. This story gives you leadership lesson, the first step for the leadership. Now this tree is there was one tree in the forest. It was very big, having many branches, having big trunk, and its shadow was big. This tree was standing tall for many years. There were so many birds or other species, natural species living on that trees, and it was home for many birds. Many birds have lived there, died there as well, on that tree. Now remember, a tree was stand tall for many years despite of all natural calamities, because its roots were strong, and these birds were happily living on the trees, and everything was going very well. Everyone was happy, the birds were happy, the trees were happy. However, there was one day a woodcutter came with sharp axe in his hand. He was planning to cut the trees. He was doing all his setup to cut the trees under the tree. Now seeing this, all birds got annoyed. They started crying. Now they don't understood what to do. They were just thinking that this tree will going to cut, and they will be losing their home. They do not understand what to do now. All birds were crying. A situation where all birds were very annoyed. They were shouting, they were crying. The situation was very tense. However, there was a small bird. He saw this, and what he did just one small act. He just flew towards the head of that woodcutter and just tried to stick that person. Now, this is a very small act, and a small bird cannot harm a person. However, the woodcutter has just thought that a bird has attacked him. So he got just a bit annoyed. However, he was thinking that everything will be fine. Means a bird cannot just do anything for me. However, with that small act a bird has done, all other birds which were just shouting or crying there just thought that they can also do the same things. They also started attacking that woodcutter one by one. Now, a single bird cannot harm a person. However, when it comes to hundreds of birds doing the attacking a person, it can harm to anyone. That's what it was dangerous. The woodcutter understood that there are so many birds attacking on him. Now, he has no choice but to run away, and he left that place. Now, you understood that this was a very small act from that bird. We never know from where they got that courage. That small bird got the courage. That was a very small act, but that small act has inspired others, and that is nothing but a first step for leadership. Remember that leaders lead from front. Leaders show the way to others. That's what leadership quality. That is the first quality. Wherever you see, wherever you are working in a corporate life, wherever you see, try to see that opportunity. Wherever you see that there is a chance to take that first step, be that first person. remember that whenever you take that first person, you got that leadership quality. Just try to take that first step. This is very much important, and everyone can be a leader. Just we need to act. Instead of just thinking, we need to act. That's what we all need to do. That is the first skill a leadership should have. That's why we need to start. I hope you have understood this story, and I'm sure that this has just inspired you that anyone can become a leader. A small bird can show the way to others. So we are a human, we have more capability, we are more having more talent, intellect. Just try to be that first person and try to be a leader. If you have any suggestions, comments, do let me know in comment section. If you like this video or a story, then just share it with others so that they can also be inspired. If you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well. Thank you for watching.